Hi, I'm Anthony Creek with DTG Printer Parts. Today we're going to be doing a test print on a Bala Canvas 6004 for my buddy Darren Griffith at Paragon Clothing. This is a quick 720 by 720 print. We're going for that weather distress look, so that's why I want to do lower resolution, just to get some ink on there. Total cost of ink is about 10 cents. This one is a gray color, so it's got polyester and cotton from my memory. We got a nice weathered black, and it is poly cotton, 52% cotton, 48% polyester. So yeah, it came out nice. This is what my buddy wants. You can check out his clothing. This is his biggest seller. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel. We show you how to make money with direct to garment, how to do it the right way. We give you tips and tricks. And you can also find our Facebook page, DTG Printer Parts. I'm Anthony Creek, and thanks for watching. Peace.